everyone. We are part of the electronics section IIT Roorkee, and we are here to demonstrate to you our project on smart home automation via the internet. In this project, we would basically be controlling all the electrical appliances present in this room through a web page that is being hosted on the Raspberry Pi server. As the name suggests, this is the website that is being hosted on the Raspberry Pi, and we would be controlling the electrical appliances with the help of this website. As you can see, the website allows us to control the switching or the on and off status of the lights and fans in this room, as well as control the brightness and the speed of the brightness of the bulb and the speed of the fan. Along with this, the website also gives us a count of the number of people present in this room, which is currently 4.
Let's take the working demonstration of home automation. Here on this web page, we have the button for the light. If we switch it off, then this data is transferred to the Raspberry Pi, which is locally hosting the web server, which is connected to the coordinator part of the Zigbee. This is a wireless module. This is low power device to communicate over the large distances. Here on the other side, we have the router part of the Raspberry Pi. This is the router part of the Zigbee connected to the Arduino Mega. In the Arduino Mega, we have greater number of digital pin in comparison to the Arduino Uno. That's why we have used it in our home automation project. The digital pins are connected to the various ICs. Here you can see that this is the semiconductor relay. This is the dimmer circuit. This is the current sensor. This here you can see that it is a temperature sensor. In the semiconductor relay, the white IC is MOC3021, which is opto isolator. Over here, this 3-legged IC is triac. This circuit is used for switching on and off the various lights. This dimmer circuit dims the light or controls the speed of the fan. Over here, this is the current sensor, which gives the analog value of the current. This is also called Hall sensor. The temperature sensor gives analog value of the temperature. Now I am gonna give you live demonstration of home automation. Here you can see that the light is on. Now I am switching it off. Now you can see that the light is off. Now we can also control the speed of the fan, or we can also dim the light. Here is the bar. As you can see that the fan is switched off right now. And here also the status of the fan is switched off. Now I am going to switch it on. And you can see that the fan has started. We can also control the speed of the fan and the intensity of the light over there. Now the intensity of the light has decreased a little bit. Now more. Now a little bit more, and the speed of the fan is also reduced. And I can also switch it off.
While doing the project, we faced several problems, and I am going to enumerate them for you one by one. The first problem that we faced was that the Android app that we had created to make it more convenient for users to control their home was faulty. This was because the Android app took too much time to process data and transfer information. So there was a lot of time delay between signals transferred and the response in the switches. The second issue we faced was that we were trying to read from two analog pins at the same time, and this was causing an issue. It turns out that we cannot read simultaneously from multiple analog pins of the Arduino simultaneously, so creating a delay between the readings helped. Thirdly, we faced a problem while using relays for the fan. A simple relay consumes too much power, and also the switching action of the relay is slow. So hence we switched to semiconductor relays, and this solved our problem.
Now we are going to discuss the future aspects of home automation. We can use the voice recognition for the switching purpose of various electrical appliances. We can also use gesture recognition to do the same. We can also implement machine learning to teach the home and make it real smart to behave according to your mood, and switching on the music or switching on the lights according to your purpose and day-to-day routine.